Hi you guys, it's Allie and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be opening up an Ipsy bag. For those of you who don't know, Ipsy I do have my little buddy here today, so if you hear her adorable little voice in the background, that's who that is. For those of you who don't know, Ipsy is a monthly subscription bag. You get, I believe, 5 products and a little bag, and I believe it's $12 a month. It was 10, but I believe it's 12 now. So let's open it up. Do you want to open it up with me?
Yes.
Okay. Let's open it up. Thank you. So this is what this month's bag looks like. How would you describe this?
With dots.
With dots, yes. It has little dots. It has little studs. It's like a teal color with like a neon yellow. Ooh.
I'm going to show you the makeup.
Okay, you can hand it to me.
This.
Ooh, okay, so first we have this Pacifica Wild Hemp Infused Eyeshadow. Let's see. This goes for $9. It's a little mini palette. Let's open this guy up. Ooh, so this is what it looks like. Really pretty colors. Ooh, they feel really buttery actually. I don't think you can really tell on camera. My hands are extremely dry, so forgive me. But these colors are very, very pretty and they feel very, very buttery. Next we have Ofra bronzer in Versatile Matte. This is by Ofra Cosmetics. This is their bronzer and this goes for $35. Very cool. Next we have a Firma 203 concealer brush. It's a little small, but I guess you can like go in there for the concealer, but I'm sure you can use it as like an eyeshadow brush too, right? Yeah, I have never heard of this company before, Firma. It feels pretty good. I have a card.
You gotta close your eyes. I'm gonna tell you what it is.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes. It's a surprise, you guys.
Here, Mom.
Can I open them?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Next we have Blackhead O2 Bubble Pore Pack. The full-size version of this goes for $26 by Caolion. I don't know, I've never heard of them. But this is, I guess, a Blackhead Bubble Pore Pack. So I'm a face mask. Yeah. Next, what do we have, babe?
Close your eyes again.
Okay, close our eyes.
Open your eyes.
Okay. All right, this is Go To Face Hero. It says a powerful and protective face oil. And the full-size version of this goes for $34. Very cool. So this is a face oil.
Now close your eyes.
All right, I'll close my eyes.
Close your eyes.
Okay, we're closing our eyes.
Open.
Okay. Ooh, it's by Tart. It's their Quench Hydrating Primer. Tart C. Obviously, this is not the full-size version.
Right here.
That's right. Very good. Let's see. Can you tell me how much it is? Can you see those tiny little numbers? 3 and 2. So 32. So the full-size version of this goes for $32. My skin's been so wacky lately.
Mine is too.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. On the days that my skin feels a little dry, I definitely will be trying this out. And I really think the packaging is so cute. Don't you think that looks so cute? I feel like Tarte always kills it on the packaging. They do a great job. Very cool. I can't find the eyeshadow palette.
Oh, no.
I just lost it. How did I lose it? Where did I put it, babe? I hope you guys like this. This is what came in this month's Ipsy. There it is. We found it. We found the eyeshadow. Okay, so this month we got a little mini eyeshadow palette. We got a face mask. We got a bronzer, face oil, a brush, and a primer. So actually, that's really good. Wait, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 6 products this month. That's great, right? Yeah. We're going to put it back. Okay.
Bye, everybody. I hope you like this work and I hope you like these makeup.
That's right. All right.
Live.
Subscribe. That's right.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, be sure to give it a
Thumbs up.
thumbs up. Be sure to
Be happy.
Subscribe, ring the bell, and I will see you in my next
Ready? Yeah.
in my next video. All right, bye guys.
Wait, come back. Where are you going?
What's that?
You're going with Daddy? Why?
Because I want to give him a kiss.
You want to give him a kissy? Okay, love you.
That's scary.
You heard a scary noise? Oh. It's just a door closing.
Scared me.
You okay?
I didn't believe it. I didn't.
You didn't believe it? Are you okay? Okay.
But now I'm going to do my second video.
Okay. You okay?
Bye, everybody. I hope you like this one. And I hope you like these makeups.
Yes.
Love you.
I love you too.